Don't feel like reading? Well, this summary with Sunny will help you out. Hey, I'm your host, Sunny Singh. I'm with KEES Lending. And in this summary with Sunny, I just wanted to share with you this article down here. Instead of reading it, you could just watch this quick video.
Let's talk about one of the hottest plays in Sacramento's investment market right now, using non-QM refinance loans to boost fix and flip profits. If you're flipping properties, you already know time and cash flow are everything. And the truth is, traditional mortgages, they're just not built for investors who need speed and flexibility. That's where non-QM lending comes in. So what makes non-QM refinance such a game changer for Sacramento investors? Instead of getting stuck in the usual W-2 paperwork and debt-to-income rules, non-QM loans focus on what really matters for investors: your assets, your property's value, and your project's potential. That means faster approvals, more flexible credit standards, and capital access when you need it most. Let's say you just closed on a distressed property and you need cash for renovations. A non-QM cash-out refinance can unlock that equity right away, or maybe you're working on a short-term flip. You could use a non-QM bridge loan with interest-only payments to keep your cash flow strong until you sell. And for those who want to hold and rent after a renovation, DSCR loans are perfect. Instead of qualifying based on your personal income, lenders look at the rental income from the property. It's a smart way to scale your portfolio without getting boxed in by conventional rules. The bottom line is this: profit in a flip comes from speed and smart financing. When you can refinance quickly, roll high-interest debt into a more manageable loan, and get money working back into the property, your ROI grows. And it's not just theory. We see Sacramento investors doing it right now. By timing their refinance after renovations are complete and bundling rehab costs into one loan, they're cutting complexity, freeing up capital, and walking away with bigger margins. So if you're an investor in Sacramento, don't let conventional lending slow you down. Non-QM refinance strategies are designed to keep your projects moving and your profits growing. At KEES Lending, our motto is simple questions deserve simple answers. Whether it's your first flip or your 10th, we'll show you how to use the right financing tools to scale your returns. Head over to keeslending.com or give us a call. Let's make sure your next flip isn't just successful, but more profitable than you thought possible.